like 3 of them or 4. A wide shot, a little bit of the wall, a little bit of the sky, and you have this kind of a leading line. What I want to do here is get a little bit of the sky and this wall. Gonna take a quick shot here just to capture the scene. See people waiting to leave like this. It was going so fast, I hope I got a piece. I'll just try a few pictures here and there. Cool view here. So a couple of my friends got really far. So what I want to do here is kind of make sure that the trail is visible in the shot, and of course focus on the hikers. But I want to make sure the trail is visible. And let's take a few. So I like how everything slopes here. See? Maybe in a zoomy shot as well. Yeah. So I'm trying to catch all of them in line. Zoomed all the way. Yeah, perfect. I just like how they're going sort of in a line, especially like this. Cool geographical feature. And I will take a few pictures. This one I want to get the trail into the shot, of course. See, wait for a moment when they're like, they form a line. That's it. I don't know why, I just want to get this tree trunk. Why not? A big lake. So I want to get that. Get some foreground in it. Kind of like that. Yeah. So what I like here is that the ground is sloped, so you get a little hill, and that can work partially as a foreground, background.
There you go.
So, pretty long road, and there's you can see a little bit of the Hudson River behind, and I want to capture that. It's not gonna be easy. A little higher. I want to wait for them to walk in. Also, let the car pass, and that's gonna be the picture. Focus on them. 1, 2, 3. A really big tree. So I try to keep him in the picture and get in as much of the tree as possible. So this way you can get an idea of the scale. So I like how this trail is going. It's wavy. And I want to get it. You see the dog is rolling in the grass. Let's get that. This is perfect. Take a shot.
What info do you give it?
That is a beaver's nest far away. Gonna zoom in. And there's a white egret, I think, right next to it. So I'll get both of them. I'm gonna get a little bit of greenery as a foreground.